If you're still building electrical estimates in spreadsheets, you're losing jobs to contractors who quote in 20 minutes from a phone. Electrical estimating software turns job walks, voice notes, and saved material pricing into a clean quote draft fast. Here's how AceWatt does it. You walk the job, snap photos, dictate what you see. AceWatt's AI job walk ties those notes to your scope, summarizes conditions, and starts a draft line by line. Your saved electrical price book keeps material pricing current so copper swings don't quietly eat your margin. You review the labor, the code, checklist items, and the final numbers before anything reaches the customer. One click turns that estimate into a branded quote with your terms and signature line. The contractor still owns the licensed judgment call. AceWatt just removes the spreadsheet tax, the stale pricing, and the forgotten line items. Win more bids without working faster. Start your estimating trial at acewatt.com.